So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Zotero. And first you have to download Zotero, and there's other type of Zotero, the extension you have to download. Then after that you will see a thing here for downloading extension. Then after you download Zotero, you have to see like this, and then make an folder for your project or thesis, like chapter 1, like here, chapter, and then open your Word, and then look for article you like in Google Scholar. Google Scholar is the one popular thing to search for articles. So if you want to search like about Yakult, oops, put some range for the year, and then you will see here the author and the date. There you go. After that, save here on the one folder you created, chapter 1, this chapter. Then automatically goes here in Zotero chapter, and then there's no author here. So if there's no author, you will the one who write there. I don't know why this article doesn't has the author, but you can check this PDF. And then save here. Chapter, and then there you go. The date is here. Automatically, if you download the Zotero, you will see it here, and then click the Zotero at the citation. If you want to use APA 6 edition format, just click it. And then write the title. This one. There you go. Then if you would like to do the bibliography or reference, just click it here, and then automatically comes here. And that's it.